Hi children, welcome to our class. Class 6 Subject Science, Chapter 5 Materials and Things. Already we discussed the different types of materials. Transparent, translucent, opaque. These are the types of materials. Transparent materials. What is the definition of transparent? An object that is clear and light can pass through it is called transparent materials. Translucent. An object that is cloudy and only allows part of the light to pass through. Opaque. An object that light cannot pass through it. Activity 4. Are we able to see through a paper? For example, take a sheet of white paper and try to see a lighted bulb through it. Record your observation. Now put a few drops of oil on that paper or sheet and again try to see the bulb through it. What difference do you notice? You notice that in the first case you can't see the bulb, but in the second case you are able to see the bulb. The materials through which we can see objects but not very clearly are said to be translucent. Oil paper is an example of a translucent substance. Some glass panes fixed to windows allow some light to come through, but you can't see clearly through them. Such type of glass is translucent glass. Can you give some more examples of translucent objects? For example, thin tissue paper, wax paper, tinted car windows, frosted glass, clouds. All of these materials are translucent and allow some light to pass, but the light cannot be clearly seen through. What is the definition of translucent and what are the examples? Materials that allow some light to pass through while some is reflected or absorbed. Examples of translucent materials: thin or light colored fabric, stained glass, colored plastic, tissue paper, leaf. Translucent materials scatters light as it passes through. Usually can see something behind object, but it is blurred. For example, wax paper, frosted glass. Children, try this. Take a torch, switch it on and see. Does the light pass through the torch glass? Now cover the torch glass with your palm. What do you observe? Now cover the torch glass with oily paper. What do you observe? In the above activity, when do you observe transparent, translucent and opaque property? When we take a torch and switch it on the glass, pass the light on the glass, we can see the objects, that is transparent. When we cover the palm to the glass, that is opaque. When we cover the torchlight with oily paper, it is translucent. Thank you, my dear children.